Hello, all. Good evening. Hope you're all doing absolutely fine. In my earlier sessions, I had discussed about communication skills, the way how we influence others. Today, on the same lines, I would like to say or talk about how do we persuade others or the art of persuasion and what are the points which are important in trying to put across your viewpoints so that they understand and connect with us very well. So, in this art of persuasion, the first thing which we should focus on is create a story behind what you are saying. The art of storytelling is very important when you are trying to persuade others. Whenever you are putting your point across, build a story around it. Create a aura or a understanding where when you are talking to them, they should listen to you patiently and they should be able to understand what you are talking. They should be able to understand the meaning behind what are you putting across to them. Storytelling, it is not just kind of a story or something. It should be based on your subject, what you are doing in a meeting. It could be about anything in your office, or if you are in a group of people. When you are creating or giving a story, people will listen to you very attentively. So the first thing is create build a story around what your subject is so that you can effectively put it across to them. Second is hard facts. You should be able to put whatever the facts you have across to them. If you are trying to create a scene or uh, if you are trying to exaggerate out of nothing, people will clearly understand that this person is just faking it and they will not take it seriously. Facts create a lot of importance and gives a lot of value to your point, and they will also understand that this person is giving a true understanding of his subject. So hard facts are very important. Third point is straight talk. Whatever you are trying to tell, just put it across to them in a very plain and effective manner. Don't try to beat around the bush. They will also acknowledge that this person is not wasting his time nor trying to waste the other person's time. So, whenever you have a discussion or you are talking to anyone, make few points so that you can put it across straight to them and you can connect it very easily. You will also get decision making. You will be able to make decision making faster. They will also understand that these are the points which we have to discuss on, and they will be able to kind of we will be able to persuade them in a much organized manner. The fourth thing which I would like to tell is you should be passionate enough to put your story across to anyone. Then only that whatever the emotions which you with whatever emotions you talk, and if you put it across to them in that manner, in a passionate manner, they'll be able to connect it very easily. They'll feel emotionally connected, and it gives a different understanding. about the subject. So, whatever point you're putting it across, put it passionately to them so that they understand the meaning of it and they try to connect with you easily. These are the few points which will help, along with one more point, which is kind of use your oratory skills which are there. Oratory skills are like not using a very high tech, high funda jargons which nobody will understand, but use such words, such points. When you put it across to them, they will get mesmerized, basically the way you talk, and they will get attracted to what you are talking about. So when you talk in such a manner that directly touches their hearts or minds, they will be able to kind of have a very good association with you, and you will be able to, in a manner, kind of persuade them easily. So these are the points which I wanted to share it with you. Art of persuasion is very important along with other skills. You should be able to learn this skill very effectively. If you find this video effective and which has given you value and lot of understanding, please share a like, and then please communicate to all your friends or colleagues who would like to hear more of such topics, and give me a feedback as well on the topic. This is also available on YouTube. Please subscribe and share your likes. Thank you so much.